Okay, hello everyone. If you're watching this right now, then you are probably in the middle of the technology fair right now, and I'm giving this presentation right now. Okay, this is going to be the first video that I'm showing. It's just the basics. It starts with rate of change, and this is basically the equation that you use to find the rate of change. It's the change in y over the change in x. And then 2, from 2 to 4 is plus 2. So you would put that over this on the top. And then from 1 to 2 is x, which the change is 1. So it would be 2 over 1. The rate of change would be 2 over 1. You don't have to pick these points exactly. You can go from 2 to 6 and 1 to 3. Okay, from 2 to 6 is 4, so you put that on top. And then from 1 to 3 is 2. So basically what that would be 4 over 2, which would in turn simplify down to 2 over 1. Okay, this is the first part of my video. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next. Okay, I'm back at the second part of this presentation. This is the equation slide. And so basically what I'm doing in this slide is showing you what each of these letters in this equation represent. Because this is basically how you find out a graph. And basically how you find the y from the input, which is the x. Okay, this y right here, as I already said, is the output of the equation. This m right here is the slope or rate of change, as I showed you in the last slide. This x here is the input, or basically what you put in to the equation. These two are already going to be here. In my third video, I'm going to show you how you can find the y-intercept. Okay, that's basically it for the equation. I'm going to skip to the third and final part of this video here. Okay, this is the last part of this video. Basically on here I'm showing you what this is, basically how to find the slope and the y-intercept. The slope's always going to be a fraction, and the y-intercept is going to be coordinates on here. So you use you basically use rise over run. So you read it from left to right. You go, okay, this graph goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The x's go by 2s and the y's go by 1s up. Stop. Okay, and so basically you choose 2 points. So basically I just chose the 2 smallest points on the graph just for an example. I picked 0, 0, and 1, 1. And to get from, well, sorry, it's 2, 1. And so basically from here, from 0 to 2, it's plus 2. And from 0 to 1 up is 1 point up. So basically, you put back together that first slide, y over x. So it's 1 over 2. That's your slope here. And then your y-intercept, which will be that b in the equation. You basically just use the y here. Okay, so you put it here. You find the place where it crosses the x and the y. If it has multiple different places or graphs connected, it may not be at the 0, 0. It can be up here, along here, or down below, left or right. Well, basically up or down. But sometimes you will have to go more to the left to find the x-intercept, which is not really part of this. Okay, this is going to be the finish of my first video here. So, bye.